Portable Fridges Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global portable fridges market size will be $1,821.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America portable fridges market size of $728.60 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe portable fridges market size of $546.45 million. Asia Pacific portable fridges market size of $418.95 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America portable fridges market size of $91.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa portable fridges market size of $36.43 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.